Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gillette, and today I want to give you a little tip on the wiper arms on your F-150. So a lot of people don't realize this, but there is a trick that you can actually take this wiper arm off really easily. You might get some snow and ice built up down here if you live in a northern climate, or you might just be trying to repair something on the wiper arm and it comes off so easily, and I just want to show you how. So essentially there's a little tab right here that you pull out. And if you put up the wiper arm like this, it makes it easier. When we pull that tab out, that comes right off, and you can kind of see how that is shaped. And then if we take this around, let's see if I lay this out here, if you can see this better. So basically when you open this up, it releases that off, and then it pops back on just as easily. Now it is easier to put on or take off if we do have that first wiper arm up. And then when we put it down, then we can snap it down, and then it applies some pressure while it's down on that part there. So now you guys know what I know. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see any more content like this, hit that bell icon and you'll be notified every time I make a video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this content or want to see any other similar content, put that in the comments section. Thanks and have a great day.